Want to try this to sound more confident? Try this. Instead of simply saying good morning everyone, today I'm going to talk about confidence. You could rather say with confidence that good morning, today I'm going to say something that is going to change the way people see at you. Remember, a 3-second pause can give weightage to your words, give enough time for your audience to process, as well as gives you more control over your words. So, what are you waiting for? Don't just be silent, use it. For more such amazing, useful public speaking tips, follow me.